So it's a problem of 2020 CET. If n of A is equals to 2 and total number of possible relations from A to B is 1024, then n of B is equals to. We have a formula 2 raised to n of A cross B is equals to number of relations from A to B is equals to number of relations from A to B. So what is n of A cross B? What is n of A cross B? For this one also we have formula n of A into n of B. Okay, so this is 2 raised to n of A into n of B is equals to 1024. So 1024 can be rewritten as 2 raised to 10, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, 1024. Okay, and here 2 raised to, already 2 is there, into n of b, is equals to 2 raised to 10. Okay, so this implies n of b is equals to 5. N of b is equals to 5 because 2 into n of b is equals to 10. 2 into n of b is equals to 10. So I have explained this formula, but we are getting confusion. Option C it is. Option C it is. Next question. Again, it's a problem of 2020. CET. So we have done many problems similar to this. Yes, definitely it's option B. Yeah, definitely it is option B because it cannot be reflexive. Because to become reflexive, it should be 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. But when it is only 1, 1, definitely it is symmetric and transitive. Therefore, it is option B. So it's also a question of 2020 CET. It looks like a bit different question, but not actually it is different. We have solved the problem similar to this. The number of binary operations on A if A is equals to ABC. Binary operation. So a binary operation from A to B is a subset of A cross A. It should be a subset of A cross A. Therefore, A cross A, how many elements A cross A contains? N of A cross A is equals to 9. N of A cross A is equals to 9 means it is, so here it contains 3 elements. It contains 3 elements, therefore it is 3 raised to 9. It is 3 raised to 9. Number of binary operations. So in that formula list, you can add this particular result also. If a set contains n elements, then number of binary operation will be n raised to n square. N raised to n square. Or it may be confusion, so let us consider m raised to n square here. But here m should be equals to n itself, so no problem, you can consider it as n raised to n square. So as already I have discussed, here the answer will be 57, because out of this 2 raised to 6, we need to subtract the elements with zero number of elements and 1 number of elements in the subsets, that is 57. So let us move into next question. That will be from 2019 CET paper. The question is modulus of 3x minus 5 less than or equals to 2. Then the options are x belongs to, not belongs to, less than or equals to condition is there, minus 1 to 7 by 3. Option B. Try to solve this problem. So let me write the options. 1 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 7 by 3. 1 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 9 by 3. Minus 1 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 9 by 3. Yes, it is B. For modulus condition, we have minus 2 less than or equals to 3x minus 5 less than or equals to 2. Therefore, by adding plus 5, 5 minus 2 will be 3 less than or equals to 3x less than or equals to 7. Therefore, it is 1 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 7 by 3. Hence, it is option B. Next question is f from R to R given by f of x is equals to x square g from 0 to infinity, g from 0 to infinity given by g of x is equals to root x, g of x is equals to root x. Which option is not true? Which is not true? Okay, so which one is not true? Option A, GOF of 4 is equals to 4. GOF of 4 is equals to 4. Second one, FOG of minus 4. FOG of minus 4 is equals to 4. Option C, FOG of 2 is equals to 2. FOG of 2 is equals to 2. Option D, GOF of minus 2 is equals to 2. Is equals to 2. Which one is not true? Yes, definitely it is option B, because for g function input must be in between 0 to infinity, but here inside function is g, they have given minus 4 as input, therefore this is not true. This is not true. Option B it is. Next one. If A is equals to x such that x belongs to n and x less than or equals to 5, x less than or equals to 5, B is equals to x such that x belongs to z, x belongs to z, and x square minus 5x, x square minus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. Find number of onto functions from A to B. Number of onto functions. Number of onto functions from A to B. The options are 223, 223, 30, 32. No. So the simple formula is 2 raised to n of a minus 2. The formula is 2 raised to n of a minus 2. This formula is mentioned in synopsis. If set B contains, two elements, then this is the formula. Here also set B contains two elements, x square minus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0, x belongs to z. So 3 and 2, the possibility are 3 and 2. So number of elements in set B will be 3, 2. Number of elements in set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore it is 2 raised to 5 minus 2 is equals to 30. It is option C. It is option C. Next problem. if n of u is equals to 100, n of u is equals to 100, n of a is equals to 50, n of a is equals to 50, n of b is equals to 60, n of b is equals to 60, n of a intersection b is equals to 20, a intersection b is equals to 20, find n of a complement intersection b complement is equals to options 40, 20, 40, 20, 90 and 10. Yes, yes, it is D, because if you simply consider Venn diagram, then it will be intersection part is 20, intersection is 20, B should be 60, means here it will be 40, this is B and this is A. So here in A 50 means it will be 30, therefore it is 90, therefore outside it should be 10. N of A complement intersection B complement is nothing but N of A union B whole complement by De Morgan's law. Therefore it is option D. Next question, domain of the function f of x is equals to square root of x square minus 7x plus 12, x square minus 7x plus 12. So I will not write the options here. You need to tell me the answer. Otherwise I will write the options. Okay, no problem. I have already explained a very simple method to calculate all these values. Okay. So now the condition is that x square minus 7x plus 12 should be greater than or equals to 0. Should be greater than or equals to 0. Okay. So you can write this one as x minus 4 into x minus 3 into x minus 3 should be greater than or equals to 0. So let me consider a real line. I'll go for wavy curve method. So let me consider the points, equating it to 0, 3 and 4, it will be 3, 4. So this up to this, up to this, positive, negative and positive. Therefore, clearly you can see minus infinity to minus 3, including this 3. You may get greater than or equals to 0, okay? It may be equals to 0 also. Therefore, minus infinity to 3, union 4 to infinity it will be. So it will be option A. So I have solved the problems of 2020 CET and 2019 CET. But to get your confidence, you need to solve the remaining papers. So let me give those as assignments. Okay, let me send the PDF of next papers, that is 2018, 17, 16, 15. And I will collect the questions of this sets, relations and functions. You need to take it as an assignment and you need to solve it. Okay. So this will be all about sets, relations and functions. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can ask now.